Welcome, today I am with Fairphone 3 and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first I'm going to show you the best features and the settings, and after that I will move to these modes. So when you open the settings, at the first we can activate location tags on our videos and photos. So when you tap on the switcher and then enable location on your phone, right now when you take photo or take video, we'll get exact location where this photo was taken. So let me show you. As you can see, when you go for the details, we got the exact location where the photo was taken. Then another option that we can find here, we can turn off this characteristical shutter sound. Right now when you are going to take photo, as you can hear, we can easily take photo without this sound. And also we can change here the video duration. We can go for the no limit, for example, and we can also quickly go for the noise reduction, so we can enable fast or high quality. I'm going for the high quality, and basically that's all. From the settings we can also enable the last option, that is the red eye reduction. Right now when you are in the modes, in the photo mode, we can add a timer, so we can take photo after 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Take a look, when I press on the shutter, the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. So we got small delay when we are taking photos. This option is unfortunately disabled, so I cannot press on it, and honestly I don't know why, because even when I switch for the different modes, it's still not activate. We can also pick the time-lapse, where we can speed up our videos. We can go for the 4x, 8, 16 or 32. And the slow motion, we cannot unfortunately change the speed, so we can make it only on the time-lapse. And the video, I show you that right here we can adjust the video duration, so I currently set up on the no limit. And the portrait mode, we can also add the timer and change aspect ratio, so we can go 4:3, 16:9 and 18:9. Of course, I can recommend you to stay with the first one, because in this aspect ratio we got the best quality on our photos. We can also find the panorama mode. In this phone we cannot find the ultra wide lens, so if you want to catch more objects in your photos, you can use this mode. And let me show you how it looks. So you have to basically press on the shutter, just like that, and you have to move your phone to the left or the right. You have to keep your phone steady. Okay, and then press on the shutter one more time, and there it is. But unfortunately it's working terrible, as you can see. Take a look right here. So I cannot recommend you this mode. Maybe they will fix it in the next updates. We can find here also the Pro mode, where we can adjust manually ISO, manual, the white balance, EV, and basically that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.